Hello, my dear flowers. How are you? Today we have English lecture, lesson 5, sound E. E. I hope you all enjoyed the lecture. Then we will make a story for this picture. I want to tell you something about this picture. This is Ian, and this is a mouse. Look, this ink is pouring on the mouse's body. Are you ready? We will go to narrating the story. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ian has a pet mouse. The mouse's body name is Inky Mouse. Inky Mouse has big ears, long tail. Inky Mouse is ill and wet with ink. This is the story of Sound E. Now kids, I want us to tell you the flashcards that starts with this sound. Can you tell me what it is? This is a kind of animal. It has 4 legs and long tail. This is iguana. Iguana. Can you tell me a sentence for iguana? Iguana has long tail. What are these kids? Oh my god, it's a beautiful girl. I think she has a fever. This is eel. Eel. Let's make a sentence for eel. She is very ill. How about this? This is not house, a kind of house, but it's made from a snow. It's called igloo. Igloo. Can you tell me a sentence for igloo? Igloo is very cold. How about this? Who can tell me? What do we have inside this bottle? It's called ink. Oh my god. Ink. My pen is out of ink. How about this? Can you hear this sound? What is this? Yes, this little lamb. In. Lamb is in the box. How about this? This is a kind of tool. We can use it for our clothes. This is iron. Iron. Can you tell me a sentence for iron? I iron my clothes every day. Now kids, look at this picture. We have a big mouse and we have a bottle of ink, and the ink is pouring from the bottle, pouring down. It becomes 5 drops. Oh, sorry, 5 drops. Now we will put each of the drops to hide these names on the mouse's body. We can say we will make an inky mouse. Now, are you ready? We will make an inky mouse. We will put the first drop to this place. Iguana, excellent. The second one to that place. Third one here. And the fourth one to this is our inky mouse, and it's very beautiful. It's very nice. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.